But I just can't get no love. It's hard for a man to live without a woman. To make me feel.
Let me I'll just stoop down here like this. Oh, it's so hot. Hello, greetings. I just wanted to come on here and say bonjour. I feel like, I don't know, I haven't been doing a very good job at vlogging the last few days of my trip. Today's my last day. Just because the last few days I've just kind of been in the moment, a little tired. A little recap of what I haven't vlogged much of is the Bob Marley Museum. Like the day we went to Kingston, did a little day trip. It was more of like a half day trip to Kingston, and we visited the Bob Marley Museum, which was super cool. I personally didn't know that that the Bob Marley Museum, like the One Love Museum, was his house. Like he used to live there. So that was super cool. Guys, can you open the door? Open the gate for Denise. Yeah. Learned a lot of things about him that I didn't know before. So that was a cool experience, but we couldn't vlog inside. So I didn't get much footage at all, but I'll just insert the footage here for you guys. Ooh, we made it. I've reached a point in my trip where I'm just exhausted. We're not allowed to film once we're inside, which is annoying, but we can film outside only. So I won't be able to vlog the tour, but it is what it is. This is what the outside looks like though. Outfit of the day. All about it when I get back though. What's Toby doing? Oh, he's waiting in line for the fun.
This song, and he wrote, he sat right there. Thank you very much.
And after that, we visited this, I think it was a vegan restaurant called Kamila'S Kitchen. It was like in the mountains in Kingston. So beautiful. Take a drive up there, treacherous roads to get up that mountain, but so worth it for the views and for the vibes. And the food was good. If you like vegan food, you would love it. But that was a really nice time too, and I'll insert those video clips as well. I didn't vlog much there either, so.
I put my 50 times zoom to the tip.
Look how pretty.
Let's see how far I can zoom in on the oil tanker, Olivia. Alexa.
I can't even see. I can only see the trees.
Oil tank, I don't see. Look,
the view is crazy.
That's the oil tank.
What? Yeah. Let's go down there. What's the name of the restaurant?
Kamila'S Kitchen.
Kamila'S Kitchen. So pretty. Like, stop this.
There's one random thing in the water. Looks like an island with a lighthouse.
Nothing, just not open.
Just open, sorry.
Yo, real slow.
You okay?
So you can go either way. What puppy is shorter?
Is it still
Which side are you coming from?
It's steep, right?
So we're eating here or drinking, huh?
We're eating.
I'm checking.
Puppy, four pastas. Inside the mountain is a very
Okay. So she did like a
Oh, it's an ocean spring? Oh, okay. Peas. Just take it.
Girl, just say
Yeah, drinking ocean spring.
Oh, no,
Want more soup? You sure you don't want soup?
It's delicious.
Food with a beautiful view.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Nice view and some nice food.
Den, did you order something?
Is it good?
Okay, so here's napkin.
Is it like breadfruit chips?
So, I'll just finish off with the...
No problem. Like these. Bruh.
Thank you.
Very reasonable. It's delicious. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's not open yet?
No,
Fresh juice?
I told you, no, we don't have any. We're out of cereal. It's just the cran juice and that I show you.
Is that the keys that you were talking about? That somebody
Yum.
was talking?
Remember I eat other soup? You're welcome. Remember I eat other soup?
Okay.
The soup and then the jerk wrap. Like it.
On the table, I wanna love you every day and every night. Besides that, it's really just been like beach days and like parties, beach parties at night, and like visiting souvenir shops and just really chilling. Last night we went to Doctor's Cave for beach night, like a beach club party. That was a lot of fun too. Today we are going back to the beach and back to the souvenir shops because I need to buy some stuff for a few people, so we're gonna do that. We're just gonna have Sunday dinner with the family and pack up, and tomorrow morning we're leaving, going to the airport. So that's about it. I'll bring you guys along for today. It's gonna be a chill beach day.
Confused.
No, I mean, say, that's what them say. Some learn them go England. Say, only confused. No white or no black.
That's Western stuff.
Hmm?
That's UK stuff.
I don't know. You know as well. Yeah, you must do as well. Really?
Just made it to Doctor's Cave. It is so packed, but it's a weekend on Hip Strip, most touristy freaking place in Montego Bay. So I'll be coming after. I'm going to the beach first. I need to get some souvenirs for some peeps. But yeah, I'm tired. Are you ready to go home? I kind of am. Like I am and I'm not at the same time. I don't know. It's weird. I'm enjoying the weather. There's 15 centimeters of snow at home, so I'm not ready for that.
I'll get a admission ticket and then one umbrella and one chair.
This is madness, you guys. Beer people, woolly pop people on the beach, bro. Never see so much people at Doctor's Cave since I've been here. I want to order something to eat, but I know it's going to take like forever. I think I'm going to get the saltfish fritters again. I wanted saltfish fritters, but it was done, so he gave me this. I don't know, it's like this crisp.
Shouldn't be in anything else except
I know, it's like this crispy dough, soya sauce. It's kind of spicy. It's alright. It's not that good, but it'll do.